folks, Old Guy is here again today in Paonia, Colorado, and a return visit to Hungry Bird Pizza. It was so good last time, I had to come by again and give them a second try and try another kind of pizza. This time, take a look here, we have their Hawaiian. So we got bacon, Canadian bacon, I believe. Of course, the pineapple, and for an extra little kick, they recommend some Hatch chilies. So there's Hatch chilies on there too. And I was fully ready and willing to try Josh's suggestion. So, okay, let's get a bite of this. And again, it just came out of the oven, so it is really hot. Here we go. I'm telling you, this pizza is it's got a ton of toppings on it. This guy does not skimp on the quality or the toppings. Okay, again, that cheese is really tasty, very, very creamy texture. The chilies have just a little bit of kick to them. It's nice Canadian bacon. Heck yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, folks. I am going to make Hungry Bird Pizza my regular lunch place every Tuesday. I don't know that I'll review every one of these pizzas, but every one of these pizzas are worth reviewing. I can tell you that. Okay. I'm going to rate the Hungry Bird Hawaiian pizza. It's going to get that same 10 out of 10. Old man grunts. This is really good. I love the heat from those chilies. This is just a very tasty pizza. I appreciate everybody watching. And if you're ever in Paonia, Colorado, be sure to check out Hungry Bird Pizza up at the end of Grand. They're in their food truck, and they're there Mondays and Tuesdays. So you guys should really check it out if you're ever in town. In the meantime, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll see you all next time I'm out of the kitchen. Bye.